Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, وَلَكُمْ نِصْفُ مَا تَرَكَ أَزْوَاجُكُمْ إِن لَّمْ يَكُن لَّهُنَّ وَلَدٌ فإن كان لهن ولد فلكم الربع مما تركن من بعد وصية يوصين بها أو دين ولهن الربع مما تركتم إن لم يكن لكم ولد فإن كان لكم ولد فلهن ثمن مما تركتم من بعد وصية توصون بها أو دين. Translation: Your share is half from what your wives leave if they have no child, but if she has a child, then you get a fourth after payment of legacies and debts. Their share is 1/4 from that you leave if you have no child, but if you leave any children, then they get 1/8 after payment of legacies and debts. In this part of the 12th ayah of Surah An-Nisa that we recited, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining the division of the wealth of the spouses. If a wife dies and she leaves wealth, then the husband will get half of that wealth what she left on a condition that she does not have any children from this current husband or the previous husband. And in this condition, the current husband will get the half of her wealth. Now, if the wife dies and she has left some children, whether it is only one or many, whether the children are from this current husband or the previous husband, in that condition, the current husband will get whatever wealth have left by his wife 1/8. And in all conditions, the distribution of wealth is done after paying all the debts that was on the wife who died, or after fulfilling all the legacies or wills that she had made in her life. Similarly, if the husband dies and he has not left any children from the current wives or the previous wives, then whoever is in the nikah of that dying person will get 1/4 of the wealth, whatever left by this person. If that person who is dying has some children, whether from this current wife or from the previous wives that may be in his nikah or may not be in his nikah, then the wives who are in his nikah at the time the person died will get a total of 1/8 of the wealth left by him. And this distribution will also be done after paying any debts that are on this person who died, or if he had made any will or made any legacy, those legacies has to be paid before the distribution of wealth. One thing should be understood, that all the current wives who are in his nikah and the person dies, that they will share the 1/4 of the wealth or 1/8 of the wealth which is left by that person. It is not that every wife will get 1/4 or 1/8 of the share. And as mentioned before, this 1/4 or 1/8 share depends whether this man had any children or not. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran and help us understand and act on these important commandments that you have given to us. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.